Today we're making ABC cookies. It's a fun and tasty opportunity for you to connect with your kids and work on some of those early developmental skills.
Cookies!
Yes, cookies. We made it to the cookie.
Cookie.
Now is the time to use your silence. Silence. So let's roll our sleeves up and get right to it. Butter, sugar, egg, vanilla, flour, mixer, ABC cookie cutters, parchment paper, baking sheets, rolling pin, cookie icing, mixing bowls, measuring cups. All right, ladies, so we are going to make some cookies today, but before we need cookies, what do we need? Stuff and to make the dough. Today we made ABC cookies. So we got all our ingredients together, we mixed them up, we made some dough. To make cookies, what's the one thing we need?
We need to make the dough.
We gotta make the dough, so we're gonna make the dough. Today we have some butter, some sugar, some eggs, and some flour, but first we gotta start off with the butter and the sugar. So Lennon, there's some butter. Isla, there's some sugar. Now, Lennon, you put the butter in there. Don't get it. Yeah. All right, Isla, get that sugar over there. Now put it in the hole though. Make sure you get it in there. You got space. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
That's where the sweet comes from. All right, so here we go. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay. All right. We gotta get it to creamy, okay? So we're gonna let it whip for a little bit longer. It's cool part, you have a little machine to do this for you. If you don't have a machine, then you can just take a spoon or whatever you have and whip it with your hands. I want you to take the first step and commit that egg. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. You hear that plop? You hear that egg plop? Yeah, that's what we're after right there. Go ahead and get all the egg white. Why don't you go ahead and hit that? And what you gotta do, you gotta really.
Vanilla smells like cinnamon a lot.
That's enough.
Ooh.
Yeah, good job, Len. Nice with the touch, good job. All right, now Isla, wait, I gotta come down here. Isla, I want you to hit the switch, all right? There you go. Yeah, you gotta use that muscle, that's right. Now show the camera your muscles. Yeah, look at the camera, show them, let them know. Hey, you gotta have some muscles.
Can I turn it on?
No, don't touch anything.
Can I turn it on?
No, because it's actually sort of hard to do.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with my muscles.
Yeah, hey, see if you can hit that too. There you go. Yeah, hit it, girl. Hit it one more. Let's whip it. All right.
Whoa.
Look over and see if it looks good, Isla.
Ooh.
What's it look like? Does it look alright?
It's like really yellow.
It looks, yeah.
It looks like egg. The egg is turning into dough. Oh, it's looking like dough.
It's starting to dough up.
It smells good.
Yes. You know your butter, sugar, and vanilla make much magic. Then we rolled that dough, cut some cookies out of it, put them in the oven, then we decorated them. We gotta pull out our dough and we're gonna roll.
Yeah, roll it.
Are you ready?
Like a gun.
Are you guys ready to roll some dough?
Yeah!
All right, let's get it. Rolling it out. Roll that thing out, girl. You're doing a good job. All right, Len, you wanna roll it a little bit? All right, give it a shot. Yay, Len, look at those muscles. So now comes the time where we have to do some cookie cutting. To do some cookie cutting, we have all of your cookie cutters, all right here. So you can only cut the cookie if you can tell me what the letter is. That is what these. Listen, you're not far off. This is the letter Z. We're doing letters. These are all letters. I'll give you that hint, okay?
A.
That is the letter A. Cut a cookie. And what letter?
C.
What letter is that?
C.
Z. Hey, great job cutting cookies, ladies. And go ahead and press it down hard. Use those gymnastics muscles. Show them your muscle face. Aw, Len, that wasn't the muscle face. There you go. And you got your Z. Boom, like that. Excellent. Tell them what the L is for.
Lennon.
Yeah, that's right, girl. Good job. I want you to find a 3-letter word. You gotta spell a word for me, okay? Okay? That G out of there. Atta girl. You may have to stand up a little bit. Put some weight on it. Or you might, and if you have difficulty, you can also tap it around, like pound, give it a little pound. There you go, yeah. Oh. You know what? I could give you some. I'm gonna give you a tool for the back. I think you got a clean cut that time. Atta girl. Nice. And Isla, you have a dough A, 2A for Isla and Apple.
Dough A, 2A.
And so we have two dough A's. So what do we have? We have A-N-G-T-O-L-E-Z. Perfect. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna go put these in the oven. Come on, let's go. And the cookies are cooked. And they're cool, just to let everybody know. Now, which color do you want? You have a red and a green left. The green? All right, grab the green. I'll grab a red. This activity actually goes beyond literacy as it focuses on fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. All right, what are you making with yours, Isla?
I'm just gonna outline it.
Oh, nice. That's a good idea.
Remember, I didn't like those cookies because there was so a lot of sprinkles on them. Can we do another one?
Yeah, of course we can. Let's finish the one we're doing first. Let's see.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
There. And that's awesome. And let's see what else we got. Get going, and then you got some craziness going on. Yeah, you got the ketchup looking icing. ABC Cookies is an activity that engages all 5 of your kids' senses and gives them the opportunity to engage in some educational and delicious play. Now's the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to eat the cookies. Eat the cookies.
You can eat one of my cookies.
So was it worth all the work?
Uh-huh.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good. Enjoy your cookie. It's a great opportunity to connect, and like I said, it tastes delicious.